Oh, hello there. I didn't see you there. Good to see you. Welcome to geometry class with Mr. Selby. I hope that today you can learn some fun things about geometry. So, the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to bring up this. It's lesson 3-3, finding the slope of a line. Okay? So, hopefully you watched the previous lessons. Ooh, let me move this over here. Move it all the way up there. Okay. Hopefully you watched the previous lessons on this, and hopefully you're like, oh yeah, I totally know how to do this, but I could totally use some extra practice, which is perfect because this is lesson 3.3, video number 3. 3.3, number 3. All right, it really doesn't get much cooler than that. All right, so right now what we're going to do is we're going to find the slope of a line, okay? So what we're doing, what this kind of goes through is how to solve for the slope of a line when given 2 points using slope formula. As you can see, we're given 3, 3, and -2, -6, and it goes through how to solve it, okay? It does the same thing for B and C. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually post this on our Schoology site for you guys, so that way you can kind of be like a little bit of note sheet for you guys, okay? Some example problems, but really quick. So the first page, all substitution for learning how to find slope using the slope formula, okay, when given 2 points. All right. Okay. So the next part, okay, is real world examples using rates of change. And my head is in the way again. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. So sales, annual sales. So this goes through like a sports problem. All right. Essentially, it's asking you if the average rate goes per year and what the base is, you put it in slope intercept form. Okay. You find the slope and then you solve from there. Okay. So this is a good example. Let's see. Is there only one? Yeah, there's, and then this is a really, really good example for the real life stuff. Okay. Determining line relationships. Okay, so this is if you're the first thing you want to do is you want to find the slope of the line, and then you want to determine the relationship whether or not it's parallel, perpendicular, or neither. Okay, this goes through really quick how to determine if a line, slope, how to find slope again. Okay, then it goes over how to determine whether or not parallel, perpendicular, or neither. Okay, all right, that's just one example problem. Okay, and then this last one right here. I believe this is our last example. Yeah. So this last one is just using slope to graph a line. So you've got Q in, you want to graph a line that has Q, okay, but perpendicular to TR. So what you want to do is you want to use slope formula, figure out the slope of TR, okay? Then you want to use Q to graph from there, okay? So this worksheet can be super duper helpful, all right, this note sheet, because it literally breaks down everything for you. And what you can do is you can actually print this out, keep it next to you if you want to. I think that's a great idea. It's a huge recommendation from Mr. Selby. Use it next to you, okay? You can use this. Some of these are really good examples, and some of these questions might be used on the quiz and test, and you might want to hold on to them. Definitely. All right. So hopefully everybody's doing well. Hopefully you guys are staying happy, healthy, hydrated, safe, you know, the whole 9 yards. If you're listening to any Christmas music, that is up to you. I'm not going to say whether or not Mr. Selby is listening to a lot of Christmas music right now, but yeah. Okay, so hopefully everything is going well. Remember, if you have any questions, concerns, issues, anything, please reach out to me. You can always message me on Schoology. You can always email me. You can always show up to office hours. Hope everybody's doing well. Please reach out if you have questions, and please try and get that work in. Quarters ending soon.